Sarah, you need to go to sleep. Hi, Sarah. You need to go to sleep. What? You did that last night. Yeah. You need to go to sleep now. Sarah, it's past your bedtime. No, past your bedtime. No, not another 5 minutes. No, you need to go to sleep. Thank you. Now will you go to sleep? What? What are you going to do with it? That's not a crayon. What? Blah. Past your bedtime. I'm not your buddy. Past your bedtime.